Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Chennai Cook. I'm going to show you how to make chicken biryani the restaurant style. So let's get into the video. For this recipe, you will need 8 onions, 5 tomatoes, 4 green chilies, 200 grams of ginger garlic paste, 200 grams of curd, juice of 1 lemon, half a bunch of mint and coriander leaves. We're going to make 2 kg of chicken biryani on the whole. So I have taken 1.5 kg of chicken and 1 kg of basmati rice. So this will make 2 kgs of biryani. For the seasoning, I have taken small cinnamon sticks, 8 numbers, 10 to 12 cardamom and 10 to 12 cloves, Kashmiri chili powder 100 grams and salt to taste. Soak the basmati rice in water for 45 minutes. Now I'm going to marinate the chicken with 2 tablespoons of green red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 100 grams of curd. I'm mixing this up and keeping it in the fridge for 45 minutes. In a hard bottom vessel, I have added 200 grams of sunflower oil and I have added the whole spices and a bit of onion and mint leaves and frying them up initially. I'm letting it brown so that this will give a good aroma to the biryani. You can see that the onions have browned. So I'm going to add the rest of the onions and 4 green chilies. I'm sauteing this up and allowing it to cook. Now the onions have become golden brown in color. I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste. I'm giving this a stir. To cook the ginger garlic paste sooner, I'm adding a bit of salt here. So this will cook it sooner. Now we can see that the onions and ginger garlic paste is cooked. I'm adding the tomatoes. The tomatoes need to cook well, so allow it to cook for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. You can see that the tomatoes have cooked well. I'm scraping off the bottom. You don't want the bottom to burn, so I'm scraping off the bottom every time it gets sticky. Now I'm adding the marinated chicken to the masala. The chicken needs to cook well. I'm not adding any water to the masala because the chicken itself is going to ooze out some water. I'm adding the remaining curd, so this is going to soften the chicken. The more curd you add, the tastier your biryani is going to be. So this is going to cook for at least 15 to 20 minutes. The chicken is almost cooked and you can see that the oil is separating from the masala. Now I'm adding the juice of 1 lemon. And the mint and coriander leaves also. So I'm stirring this up and setting it aside. On the other side, I'm going to cook some rice. So for that I have kept water for boiling. Once the water boils, I'm adding the soaked basmati rice, and this needs to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. You need to make sure that the rice is only partially cooked. Do not allow the rice to cook fully, or else your biryani will become mushy. So now you can see that the rice is partially cooked. I have strained the water from the rice. Now we are going to layer the biryani. For that I am setting aside some of the masala. I am keeping the masala in another vessel and leaving some masala in the pan. So this is going to make the first layer. The second layer is going to be some rice. So I am topping the masala with rice. So this makes the second layer. To that I am adding a bit of ghee for some aroma. The third layer is going to be the remaining masala that I have set apart. And the fourth layer is again going to be the remaining rice. I'm topping it up with ghee again and closing it with a lid. The biryani needs to be on dum for 15 to 20 minutes on low flame. For dum, I'm using a large vessel filled with water and placing it on top of the biryani. Now I'm taking the dum away. I'm opening the lid. After 15 minutes under low flame, you can see that the biryani is steaming. The rice is well cooked and the masala and the rice looks awesome. I'm mixing this up. You need to be patient enough to mix the rice and the masala because sometimes the rice gets broken. So patiently mix the masala and the rice. Once everything is mixed well, your biryani is ready to serve. So yes, your restaurant style biryani is ready. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel.